What if your digital world could mix with your real life? Imagine playing games inside your room, attending meetings as an avatar, or seeing digital objects floating right in front of you. This is not science fiction. This is AR, VR, and the metaverse. And today, I will explain it in the simplest way possible. In the next few minutes, you will understand what AR is, what VR is, what the metaverse really means, and how all of this can affect your daily life. First, let's understand one simple term: extended reality, or XR. XR is a group name for technologies that extend a reality using digital content, and it mainly includes augmented reality, virtual reality, and mixed reality. Augmented reality, or AR, adds digital objects to the real world. You are still in your room, but digital elements appear on top of it. Examples: Instagram filters, Snapchat lenses, Google Maps Live View, and Pokemon Go. AR is already part of our daily life. You just didn't call it AR. Virtual reality, or VR, is completely different. In VR, you leave the real world behind. Once you wear a headset, everything you see is digital. VR is used for gaming, training pilots, doctors, and engineers, and even for virtual travel experiences. Now comes the most confusing term: the metaverse. The metaverse is a shared digital world where people interact using avatars. You can work, play games, attend events, and socialize, all inside virtual spaces. It's not one app, it's an ecosystem of connected virtual worlds. Let's make this super simple. AR adds digital content to the real world, VR replaces the real world completely, and the metaverse connects people inside virtual worlds. All three together are a part of extended reality. In the coming years, XR will change how we can learn, work, shop, and communicate. Students may learn inside virtual classrooms, offices may move to virtual spaces, and shopping could happen in a 3D stores from home. This technology is just getting started. So that's what AR, VR, and the metaverse is, explained simply. Which one do you think will change our lives the most? Let me know in the comments. Like video if it helped you, and subscribe for more easy tech explanations.